Hello. A short but very, very important tutorial. When you want to buy different plots in the same area, okay, and to move faster, you have one technical option here, okay, in the game selection, here, and you can select one plot. Then, with your mouse, you move your mouse in the good direction you want to buy, and you select all the plots at the same time, okay? Buy, confirm, and you must select one advisor, okay? If you have this one already done, because we are in Charles de Gaulle Airport, so you select your advisor. If you don't have any advisor in that area, you can use one not activated advisor on the list, and you confirm, okay? You can check that the list of advisor here. You have many in the beginning, okay? The system give you many advisors. So some of them are already named, other are available for you, okay? Good luck, good earning, many cryptos for you, and let's play the game. See you. Bye-bye.